gate question is, consider the 2-bit multiplexer shown in the figure. For output to be the XOR of C and D, the values for A0, A1, A2 and A3 are. So this is the given marks. Inputs are A0, A1, A2, A3 and select inputs are C and D, and you have to get output that is equal to XOR of C and D. What is meant by XOR of C and D? Output must be, yes, XOR C bar D plus CD bar. Okay. So for what values of A0, A1, A2 and A3, output is XOR of C and D, that is C bar D plus CD bar. Now, see the solution. Yeah, the given mux is, as it is having 4 inputs and 1 output, it is called 4 by 1 mux. 4 by 1 mux. For the 4 by 1 mux, inputs are 4, okay, and you can write that 4 as 2 power 2. That power is nothing but number of select pins, okay. So now if we see the function table for 4 by 1 mux, how to write the function table? Select inputs and output. What are the select inputs here? C and D. Okay. Let us represent this output with Y. So this is your Y. When C and D are 0, what is the output? A0 is the output. You all know about mux. Based on the select inputs, it selects one of the input lines and it sends that input line to the output. Okay, so that is mux. So now whenever you give 0 and 0 for the select inputs, A0 will be selected and the output is A0. When you give 0, 1 as C and D, you will get A1. When you give 1 and 0, you will get A2. When you give 1 and 1, you will get A3. So this is your functional table. Now you can write the output Y as, yes, output Y, you will get A0 when C and D are 0 and 0. So you can write this whole information as 0 is represented by bar, so C bar, and this is D bar and A0 plus the second one C bar D A1 plus third one C D bar A2 plus fourth one C D A3. This is the output expression. Okay. So what they asked in the question, the output must be XOR of C and D. Now you got 4 terms. Observe where are the XOR terms. What are the XOR terms? C bar D and CD bar. See here, in these 4 terms, you have C bar D in the second term and CD bar in the third term. Okay. So you'll get this Y equal to C bar D plus CD bar when A0 is 0 because it should be removed and A3 is 0 because it should be removed because XOR terms are only these two. And what about A1 and A2? A1 must be 1 and A2 must be 1. Is it clear? So what is your required output? Your required output is Y is equal to C bar D plus CD bar. Is it fine? So where are these 2 terms? In this one and this one. So to make this first term and fourth term 0. So for that, what's the first condition? A0 must be 0. Okay. And then what about A3? A3 is also 0. Okay. Now to get C bar D and CD bar, A1 and A2 must be 1. Okay. So these are the values of A0, A1, A2 and A3 to get the output as XOR of C and D. Okay. So now verify the option 0, 1, 1, 0. The option is C. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.